Hi, first graders. So for math today, for Friday, we are going to check our 1.3 homework, and then I will read you a story. And then that's it for today. Just a quick little math check-in, and then you're free for Friday, and have a good weekend. So here for number 1, we are supposed to write the partners. So we see that 4 bubbles are colored in, plus 1 bubble that is not. Gives us 4 plus 1. We put the 5 over here because there's 5 altogether. 5 is the total. So we have 3 plus 2, 2 plus 3, and 1 plus 4. As we move down to number 2, there's math mountains, and we just talked about that 5 is the total. So the 5 goes at the top, and then we take our partners and we put them down here. So 4 partners with 1 to give us 5, 3 partners with 2, and then we switch those partners, and 2 partners with 3, and 1 partners with 4. Then number 3, all we had to do was write the numbers 0 and 1, practicing our printing on that. On the back side, the remembering side is always review, so something that we've done before. It says write how many airplanes see the 5 in each row. So starting right here at this line, there's 5 groups here, 5 groups here, 5 groups here. So we have 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just 5. And then 5, 6, 7. Okay, number 5 in 6, 7, 8. Write how many dots see the 5 in each group. So these are just like those stair steps that we were working with. This is the 5 group. 5, 6, 7. 2 groups of 5 is 10. Group of 5 and 3 ones is 8. A 5 group and 4 extra ones is 9. And on the bottom, number 9, stretch your thinking was draw 4 trees. All right, the story I'm going to read to you today is called Join Us. The author is Lita Davis, and the illustrator is Noah Jones, which means he drew the pictures. The girls need more to play. Will you join us, they say? Yes, the boy will stay. How many children play? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 2 more children come and say, may we play with you today? Yes, you can join us. That's okay. How many children play now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We see Ray. Will you join us, Ray? Yes, says Ray. I'll stay and play. How many children play? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 more come to play. Can we join you, they say? Yes, you may stay and play. Now, how many children play? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The children stay and play. No more children come their way. How many children play? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Shep wants to play. Can I join too? Shep seems to say. How many are playing now? We had the 9 over here, and the dog came in the middle, so 9 and 1 more is 10. So these are optional, these choices that you see right here, so you can read through them if you would like to access this. It's on Think Central, and you can message me and I can get that for you, or you can just pause the video and read the directions here. You can draw, you can tell about it, or you can write. Okay, that's all I have for today for Friday. So Monday, we can look forward to doing lesson 1.4 and have a wonderful weekend.